On behalf of Space Education and Research Foundation and on behalf of Dr. Sawan Katba and Arjun Khetia and their team, and on my personal behalf, it is my pleasant duty to welcome all the speakers and the participants of this conference on Physics Education and Research, CPER 2020. This is going to be a 6-day program starting from today, 21st September, and will end on 26 September 2020. We had put out the request for invited contributory papers some time back, and to that there was a very huge response. 46 scientists or students, teachers, PhD scholars, scientists, or the faculty members have responded to this circular and have submitted their contributory papers. Of this, 22 papers will be presented here. And these are on very wide variety of topics, like on physics education, material science, atmosphere, solar physics, energy and propulsion, nature, black hole, etc. A very interesting work that is going to be presented in this conference. And as I mentioned, there will be 6 sessions on each day, Monday to Saturday this week. And beside these contributory papers, we also invited senior scientists from various universities and institutes, and they very willingly agreed to our request, and will be giving invited talks. Like today's will be the inaugural talk by Professor K.N. Joshipura, and he's going to tell us about fourfold learning physics, and will be a very interesting talk. Similarly, tomorrow, day after, and next 3 days, there will be lead talk by Professor Darshan Vyas, Professor Amrendra Narayan, and Professor D.G. Kuberkar. The subsequent 2 days, there will be the popular talk and invited special talk by Professor Brij Mohan and Mr. D.V. Subedar. So these sessions are going to be extremely interesting, and I am so sure that all of us, including me, will have a great opportunity to learn many things for this. The contributory papers will be evaluated by 2 methods, in 2 ways. One, all the contributor presenters themselves will evaluate their own paper as well as papers presented by others. And then there is a team of experts, which we call as external examiners. They will also evaluate all the contributory papers, and the average of internal evaluation by contributory presenters will be given 50% credit, and average of experts, which is we call as the external examination, will be given 100% credit, and these 2 together will form the merit list, and all the presenters will be given certificate, and there will be 3 merit certificates. The evaluation is going to be on the basis of contents, which will be of 30 marks, and the speech will be of 30 marks, slides will be 20 marks, and the importance of the work will also be 20 marks. The total of out of 100, all these people will give marks, and that's how we are going to proceed. In this conference, we also have two category of participants, and we have a large number of them, and I welcome all of them to take part and learn from this talk and enjoy these talks. The first category of participants are that they don't need certificate, but some require participation certificate, and for them we have given a token fee of rupees 100 is charged to them, and on 26 September, when the program will end, they will be sent a link on which they will have to submit their report. And the basic condition for these people are that they need to attend all the papers, all the sessions, and prepare reports for each day. And each of these reports should be about 400 words for each session, and they should submit it online. The link will be given to them on 26 September, and it will remain open for 20 days up to 15th October 2020. And these reports will be evaluated, and the successful participants will be given e-certificates. So the certificate distribution will be after 15 October. So this is all that I was thinking to share with you. And now, before I end my talk, I once again thank all the invited speakers, Professor K.N. Joshi Pura, Professor Darshan Vyas, Professor Amren Narayan, Professor D.G. Kuberkar, and Professor Brij Mohan Thakur, and Sri D.V. Subedar, and all the contributors of this today's as well as for the other days. They have done a very wonderful work and will be showing us a very good results, and good discussion will follow. I also take this opportunity to thank all the participants for registering in both the categories, paid and unpaid, and I'm sure that they are going to enjoy this conference. And before I end my speech, I also would like to thank Dr. Sawan Katba and Mr. Arjun Ketia and their team to host this program. So thank you very much, and let us listen to the talks. Thanks.